And we're live again. Cha-ching, cha-ching, ching, ching. Yeah. Bugs Body gonna live food every day. Remember, you see, we do no excuses. Yes, and today we're gonna do combination. Cross 5 and top 7. Sorry, 7. Yeah. You ready? First watch, then practice together. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, this is the move. Are you excited? Let's learn it together. When? Right now. Let's go. Let's do it together with me. Are you ready? We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Are you ready? Let's go. Cross to the back. Open. And open. Tap, tap, tap. Now the same with the right. Cross to the back. Open, open. Tap, tap, tap. Now with the left. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Amazing. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And last time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Already looking great. Cha-ching. Yeah. But you know what? Let's do another practice right now. Face to face. I want to see you. Let's go. Let's go. We don't have much time today, but no excuses. We always practicing. Right, getting better. Yeah. With the left, let's go. Cross. Open, open. Tap, tap, tap. With the right. Cross. Open, open. Tap, tap, tap. Looking great. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, let's give you a tip. Are you ready? We'll try to work with some angles. Let's do it together. Let's go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Now we can go with an angle over there. Bam, bam, bam. Just the body over there. Right now, we're gonna turn there. 45 degrees. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Down, down, down. Now going back. 45 angles. 45 angles. Let's go. Now there. Go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross. Open. Open. Down. 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 Close. Open. Open. Down. 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 Close. Open. Open. Down. 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 Yeah, that's the move. And that's the thing. You can play with it. You can mix it. And remember, these are universal moves. Yeah. Meaning you can do them in any kind of dance cha-ching that you want. Salsa, Bachata, hip hop, Kizomba, Zumba, Rumba. And salsa, by the way, on 1 and on 2. Because you can do it with the right and with the left. Amazing or not amazing? I think amazing. I think amazing. But maybe I'm not that objective. But what do you care? You can use this video, practice again, and make it your own. So if you want to practice again with this video, Or even better, meet me in the studio. Practice with me these moves for free anytime you want. How can you do that? Check the links above, below, to the sides, or if you are in Instagram, you can check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and search for these moves. Notice these moves: cross 5 and top 7. Today we did a combination of the two. Yeah. So search them on YouTube or use this video and practice again, and then again, and then again, and then again, remembering that repetition is the mother of skill. Yeah. And do it today. Why today? Because tomorrow you have a new footwork. New footwork every day. Sport recording live. Yeah. So I guess I'll be seeing you tomorrow then. See you tomorrow.